Let's learn Ocean Jasper. Although commonly called an orbicular jasper, the stone is actually a mixture of different forms of quartz, including clear and colored varieties of chalcedony, banded agate, and pockets of tiny quartz crystals called druzy. The spherical patterning and lines in ocean jasper can be called orbs, fish eyes, concentric rings, bullseyes, starbursts, bubbles, and flowers, which all resemble sea foam, waves, and ripples in the ocean water. Ocean jasper is found only in one place, the remote northwestern coast of Madagascar, and the new extra quality pieces you see here are from the Maravato deposit, which means many stones in Malagasy. Ocean jasper's metaphysical properties reflect its close connection with water and tides. It helps us to go with the flow and ride the waves of our emotional tides. It helps us to process emotions, to purify, relax, and soothe ourselves. To quote our good friend Christopher Matthews, ocean jasper represents the rhythms of the inner sea, upwelling feelings like joy, happiness, contentment, expressing our emotions, and its vivid colors, bubbly orbs, and druzy starbursts can be interpreted as energy signatures of positivity, spontaneous childlike joy, and a passion for life.